Utility webbing. This strapping is water, fade resistant and won't stretch like nylon does. Suitable for outdoor use. This heavyweight webbing is a must-have when camping, boating, rafting and more. Fade-resistant polypropylene webbing is made from thermoplastic resins. The material is resistant to moisture, acids, oil and grease. It even has some ability to float on water. Wide variety of uses. Strapworks polypropylene webbing is tough with a tensile break strength of 1,800 pounds. It measures 0.06 in thickness and is available in a variety of vibrant colors. Easy to work with, this flexible webbing is easy to manipulate and sew. Made with a tight weave, it's tough and aesthetically pleasing. Use this polypro strapping for crafts, gear repair, and more. World leader in straps, Strapworks is a family-owned company based in Eugene, Oregon. We have been producing the highest quality straps, webbing, tie-downs and more since 1976. Top reviews from the United States. I fixed my patio swing with this. This is a fantastic product. My patio swing chair contraption has been out of commission for 3 years. We've been looking everywhere for a replacement because the fabric wore out over time and have never found one. Our only option was to buy a new patio swing for $800 or more. That's when I got the idea to try wrapping it with some webbing, so I ordered this. 150 feet, 50 yards, was perfect and this stuff is very strong. In fact, I think it's stronger now than it ever was. We put cushions on and had 500 pounds of people on the chair and it was solid. Using this product saved me at least $750. Would buy again.